Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka thirikari riu irenda Samidoh anyitwo na ikio thiini. Ruhonge rwa borithi ni rwaruta order ya guikio ngono gwa Samidoh kuringana na riboti iria yagikorwo igicabithio. Kuratuika Samidoh ni oreire wira wake rungu rwa docket ino njeru ya anti-stock theft unit kuria agikoretwo agithamio nginya Girigiri kuma May 27 mwaka uyu. Ruhonge ruru rukauga Samidoh ndari onekana wira na rutiwe kuria ari. Ndumiriri iyo yakirekererio irathoma National Police orders arrest of popular musician Samidoh after he deserted duty as an officer at the anti-stock theft unit in Gilgil since May 27 mwaka uyu wa 2025. Makiuga his whereabouts are currently unknown. Au kafere utuku wa gukia umuthi ruhonge ruru rwa borithi rukurutite ndumiriri rukiuga ni rwarenga mushara wa Samidoh tondu ni oreire wira wake for 10 days kuma aheo leave ino turakimonete agiperform kuria UK, but after nduko icio 10 yagirire gucoka wira. Ruhonge ruru rukauga Samidoh ndari acoka na nikio ruraruta order akorwo agiikio ngono na ikio thiini. Blogger very popular guku bururi-ini ni akorwo akigeria gutenderithia ndeto ino egie Samidoh na what is actually going on, kuona everyone seems to know where Samidoh is, but ruhonge ruru rwa borithi ruronekana no ruo tu rutakiwe kuria Samidoh akiri, kuona Samidoh akoretwo agicabithia his whereabouts on social media. Also Pauline Njoroge agakorwo akiuga gutiri uria Samidoh angiaumire bururi-ini atahuriirwo saini maratathi make, koguo he had an official letter to make him leave the country. Koguo riboti ino ni agikorwo igitetia andu aingi muno, ni agikorwo ikihahura andu aingi muno, na Pauline Njoroge agitenderithia ndeto ici arauga intimidation tactics at play. Samidoh must have gotten clearance before leaving the country, but someone somewhere is playing games. Koguo kiuria kinene noyo urageria gukorwo intimidate Samidoh. Ni ndeto iria gukorwo ngitenderithia makiria in our next video, kuona Samidoh nake ni akorwo akirespond na ni aronekana gukorwo we ndarehitha tondu ni akoretwo agicabithia uria aragithie na mbere na muturire na family yake kuria USA. Make sure ni ura turn on your notification, uga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakorwo ukiamukira video citu. Tucemanie in our next one.